Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to mirror object in Blender. There is one really simple way to do it, and I recommend you to know this method because it may be really useful when you want to fast create a symmetrical objects. Okay, so first you need to do is go to the left upper corner, and here you need to select object mode. It is very important because then you will be able to implement modifiers. So now we need to go to the right down corner, and here you have something like modifiers, modifier properties. We need to open this one option, and then you need to go to add modifier. We need to click this one button. Now we need to go to generate, and here you have something like mirror. We need to select this one option. Okay, so on default settings we create here x-axis mirror effect, but if you would like to create y-axis mirror effect, you need to uncheck x-axis and then you need to select y. After that you will create this one mirror effect, and like you see, it's really working. The last option is z-axis mirror effect. We need to uncheck y, and of course we need to select z. And like you see, it is really easy and great effect that you can implement in Blender. Of course, if you want, you can always select clipping if you need it. And if you want to apply the changes, we need to click on an arrow, and then we need to click apply or use shortcut Ctrl A. So I click on this one option, and like you see, mirror effect has been successfully implemented. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials.